يا نفس إن لم تظفري لا تجزعي يا نفس.
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil anbiya'i wal mursaleen, Sayyidina wa Mawlana Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'een. Signs in the Dajjal. Physical description: the Dajjal is a young, fat man, wheatish in complexion, with a broad chest and biting teeth, resembling Abdul Uzza bin Qatan from the tribe of Khuza'ah. His head is covered with curly hair, with the letters Kaf Ra written between his eyes, which every believer will be able to see clearly and read, literate or illiterate. He has a shining forehead and a defect in both eyes. His left eye has a swelling pupil, and he is completely blind from the right. He has a brisk walk and no children. His emergence: conquering Constantinople with takbir. This has been mentioned in a previous video. The link will be in this description. The Muslims will begin to take the booty while they are distributing the war possessions. A proclaimer will proclaim that the Dajjal has appeared and he is causing fitna in your homes. On hearing this cry, the Muslims will rush and drop all the booty, and they will head towards Syria. It will come to their knowledge that it was a false rumor. However, after reaching Syria, the Dajjal will truly emerge. He will come out from a road between Syria and Iraq. His emergence will become to be known as Isfahan, at a place called Yahuda, riding a white donkey, the two ears of which will be 40 hands apart. 70,000 Jews will be following him of Isfahan. They will be following him with hoods on their heads, also accompanied by devils and Jewish magicians. He will first claim prophethood and then godhood, traveling as fast as those clouds which are driven by the winds. He will travel from the east to the west and entering every single country, carrying out murders, pillage, devastation, and performing unusual feats wherever he goes. The Dajjal's turmoil, the Dajjal's deception. Two angels resembling two prophets, one on either side, will accompany him. This will be a test to mankind. Hence the Dajjal will ask, "Am I not your Lord? Do I not give life and death?" One of those angels will reply, You are a liar." However, nobody will be able to hear this reply except from the other angel. The second angel addressing the first angel will say, "You are speaking the truth." Everybody will hear what the second angel said and would think that the angel is testifying that the Dajjal is Allah, though in reality the second angel was addressing the first angel and agreeing with his reply that you are speaking the truth, that Dajjal is certainly a liar. Narrated by Safina Musnad Ahmad. He will come to a Bedouin whose parents have passed away, and he will say to him, "Will you believe me that I am your Lord if I bring your parents back to life?" He will reply, "Yes." The devils that are accompanying him will take the form of his parents. After resembling his parents, he will say to him, "O child, believe in me, believe in him and follow him. He is your Lord." The Bedouin will be deceived and forced into believing him. Abu Umama ibn Ma'jar. He will come to another Bedouin and say, "Will you believe in me as your Lord if I bring your camel back to life?" He will say yes. He will make a figure for him like his camel, which will have a beautiful odor and a big hump. Asma ibn Yazid / Mishkat. He will have water and fire with him. As for that which the people will see as water, in reality will be fire, which will burn. As for that which people will see fire, in reality will be cold, sweet water. The Prophet's Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam's advice is, whoever meets the Dajjal and sees the water and fire, he should fall for the fire and not the water, as the fire in reality is water and the water in reality is fire. Hudhaifa/Mishkat. The believers in the Dajjal will temporarily rejoice. He will come to people and tell them, he is Allah, and they will believe him. The sky on his order will pour rain, and the earth will grow crops for these people. Their animals will graze on the land and return to them in the evening with large udders, and their flanks full. He will then proceed to some other people and call them, but they will refuse to believe him. Without forcing them, he will leave and carry on with his mission. However, when these true believers wake up in the morning, they will find that they are penniless and all their properties have been destroyed. Nawasib Saman, Muslim. وما علينا إلا البلاغ المبين.
وإذا بدا من ناطق الوجدان ما يدعوك للياس الذميم الأشنعي.